This is Kärcher's BR34C, an incredibly compact floor scrubbing machine that enables hard floors in confined areas to be cleaned quickly and thoroughly. It cleans and dries both forwards and backwards, just like using an upright vacuum cleaner. The machine features one roller brush with a squeegee either side of it. The weight of only 12 kilos makes it easy to transport and handle. Various brush types are available to clean different floors, and the brushes can be replaced without the need for tools. The machine gives a result that's much faster, much better and more consistent than cleaning with a mop and bucket. Water for scrubbing is always clean, and the rotating brush cleans much more deeply than a mop can. The vacuum leaves floors almost completely dry, reducing slip hazards and cross-contamination. The two 4-litre tanks, dirty water and fresh water, can be removed in 1 second and leave one hand free to open doors. The fresh water tank is very flat and slim, easily fitting under any tap. The simple yellow colour coding makes operation intuitive. The vacuum on-off function enables more water to be used in the cleaning process to remove the most stubborn dirt. With the compact and lightweight BR34, small areas can be cleaned with mechanical action for a very efficient and deep clean.